Any size manufacturer can take advantage of the services through the MEP national network, whether that be they need something as simple as workforce training, or they have a specific need for cybersecurity. We're here to help everything from A to Z for these businesses.
We are a mission-driven organization. We exist to help small to medium-sized companies grow and be sustainable.
The only things for sure is change and advancement. MEPs are there to help you understand that and adapt to that.
MEP has brought in not just the expertise to help us identify how do we move forward in our manufacturing readiness, how do we move forward in our cybersecurity, but they've also brought resources that have helped a small company like ours actually execute.
MEP came to us. They had put together a consortium of consultants to do ISO training. We couldn't have done that on our own, and that was huge back then. I think we were probably the first among our competitors.
There's a lot out there that we don't know, and they do a fantastic job of helping us figure out some problems.
They provided us leadership training, and they've also provided us things like training for our new machine operators.
MEP is a great resource, even from the ground up, from a startup stage, because they have all the resources that you need and all the connections for you to actually start scaling. Instead of going on the web and not knowing where to start, MEP would be the first place to go.
These people have a ton of background, they have a ton of knowledge, they have a ton of experience in exactly what we needed.
They have specialists in every corner of business that you can imagine, from leadership training to value stream mapping to strengths finders. You name it, they're going to end up having something for it.
We've got MEPs across the country with decades of manufacturing experience. It's really about the role the MEPs can play as a catalyst to really help drive improvement and change and truly make an impact on manufacturing.
Today, the society we live in, it's collaboration. That's the way you move forward. That's the way you keep up.
If anybody wants to do big things, it takes a network, and MEP is an important part of that network.
You're always going to be a small business. You're never going to be a medium business if you don't push yourself forward. And MEP has certainly helped us push ourselves forward.